if you think about the things that could have been. Barely knew each other, all the things we said and did. I settled in these thoughts I probably shouldn't meddle in, but you gave me a call and said I shouldn't let you in. Man, it's funny, you ain't the only one with a past. You see a smile on my face and all the green on my grass. Halos and wings is what you think that I have, but what you see is an act. Everything is a mask. Don't you ever try and tell me you're too broken for me. I got pieces in the mirror I ain't willing to see. I couldn't tell you this the other day, I knew you would leave, but see, you're perfect to me. There's not a thing that you need. But no matter what I tell you, girl, I swear you never listen. All you say is I don't get it, you don't know me, just forget it. I know you're broken hearted with a lot of regrets. You're trying to clean up the mess, sewing together what's left. You said
I used to trust so easily, I used to fall for anything, but under all my boundaries, I just didn't know better. I used to have no confidence, uncomfortable in my skin. Deep down, way, way back then, I just didn't know better. You just didn't know better.
Window pane laying on your bed, talking for hours, just a blur in the end. Emotional kids trying to feel something again. I wrote you a text, but I never hit send. It's hard for me to tell you that I've been through it too. Like when you try to be together, but it breaks you in two. When you believe in someone so much you don't know what to do. When you're looking in the mirror like, are you really you? Insecurities looking for security. You give them love that you don't get like it's a charity. I don't believe in meant to be, I believe in let it be. I don't want another promise, I need clarity. So am I wasting my time? Do you feel what I feel? I love the things you tell me, now tell me, is it real? Laying on her bed, I saw the tears in her eyes. I said I'm full of regrets, I had to bury inside. Cause
I used to trust so easily, I used to fall for anything. Under all my boundaries, I just didn't know better. I used to have no confidence, uncomfortable in my skin. Deep down, way, way back then, I just didn't know better.
Can't get enough, I guess I ain't giving up until it kills me. But I do got a mask and I ain't taking it off, cause I don't want anybody to see the real me. You ask me what's wrong and all I say is I'm fine. You say don't worry, one day I know you will be. I said how do you know? She said that's not how it goes. You'll never know if you don't let me feel the real thing.
I used to trust so easily, I used to fall for anything. Under all my boundaries, I just didn't know better. I used to have no confidence, uncomfortable in my skin. Deep down, way, way back then, I just didn't know better. Just didn't know better.
Ya que pides milagros.
Catado y despachado.
Hierba segada, todo.
Refrescar está refrescando, ¿eh?
Sí, y aquí más.
Aquí sí, pero ya verás para allá.
Un somadre, como nata. Está fenomenal.
And we could just fade away until we're all right. And we could just fade away into each other's lives. And we could just fade away until we're all right. And we could just fade away into each other's lives.
Whoa.
with the halos. Don't know my worth, but I figured out how pain goes. Treat it as a curse, so reverse it, okay, go back to a time when I didn't make choices. Back to a time when my parents were my voices. Back to a time when I used to take classes. Back to a time when I couldn't really pass shit, it happens. Try to figure out fate, yo, yeah. I try to figure out hate, yo, yeah. On the beach in San Diego, yeah. Feet in the sand, it's late, yo. Moon up in the sky, so high, so bright. The only thing at night that can really shed light. And I wish I didn't fight with my thoughts at night. I think that I'm alright, but it burns inside. And we could just fade away into each other's lives. And we could just fade away until we're all right. And we could just fade away into each other's lives. And we could just fade away until we're all right. I got too many thoughts in my head, thoughts that I dream. I think it's with my friends, this shit it never ends. I'm sick of all these trends, I'm sick of paying rent. I'm sick of growing up and not just knowing how it ends. So I plan with intent, today I make a dent. I'm gonna make it happen, every minute I attend. And my hand I extend, out like a friend. To anyone who's ever felt lost in the sand. Let's go, get it, and keep on moving forward till we do what we ascend. We feast on the bread, we eat what we're fed. And we need to the shed, all this time in my head. All this time that I dread, it's not right. But I found out instead that my voice, it can spread. Got a choice to take a breath, make a noise and forget about any doubts we gon' live with it. And we can just fade away into each other's lives. And we can just fade away until we're all right. And we can just fade away into each other's lives. And we can just fade away until we're all right.
Para. Bueno, vale.